everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. I am so excited, you guys, so happy and so pumped. I weighed myself today. Yesterday I was 156 and today I'm 153.4. Oh my goodness. I know it's just water weight, but I don't care. I feel amazing. I feel so good. My stomach feels so flat. My face looks kind of skinny. I know I contoured today, so that's probably why, but I don't care. I feel really good. But I'm feeling a little hungry though, because let's admit it, 6 eggs is not enough, and cheese. I don't know. I feel like it's so calorie deficit. I don't know. It's just probably just me because I've been eating a lot, period. Okay. So 6 eggs is just not enough for me. So today I'm drinking coffee and I'm going to incorporate collagen again. So I have this chocolate collagen vital protein. I have the plain one, but I also have the chocolate. So I'm gonna drink it today with my decaf coffee. I have the Dunkin' Donuts. This has 2 carbs though, so I hope that's okay. So I'm gonna make that today. I'm gonna edit my video. I just got a notification that I have an 11:30 appointment for my under eye filler, which is much needed, and Botox. I hope he does my filler because last time I went, he said, you don't need fillers yet. So we'll see what he says. But definitely fillers, yes. I'm gonna need, Botox, definitely need Botox for sure. I did my hair, I showered today, and I did the Dyson. I did that with my Dyson Corral, and it looks pretty good. It's not straight, it's not curly. It has a good a wave to it. It's the first time I did that, so I'm really loving it. So I'm gonna make my coffee and get ready for my appointment. The first time I'm mixing coffee with this chocolate flavored collagen. I'm gonna taste it for the first time. So I ordered tripod so I'm not locked down to this location only. It's gonna arrive tomorrow. It's good, but it's really sweet. I should have done 10 ounces, but it's really good. I love it. To head out for my Botox and filler appointment. Just want to show you a little OOTD. This is our garage. This dress is from Amazon. It is so hot in here in Vegas, but this is my little outfit of the day. Very casual, just flats because I'm going to Savers after to go thrifting. But this dress is from Amazon. Very lightweight. It is lined, and this shoes from DSW. Rika brand, and I just have my YSL bag. I think this is a Nikki bag. My watch, earrings from Target. It's getting a little blurry, but yeah, really comfortable outfit and really breathable outfit because it's super hot. Okay, guys, I just parked at Advanced Aesthetics. It's 104 degrees right now. It's a little gloomy, but my appointment is at 11:30, so I gotta head in.
For you last time, yeah?
Yes.
Where's your bell? Where's more time? Perfect. Close your eyes tight. Like you're squinting, almost like this. Yeah, for your low cheek. There we go. Not bad. Man, you don't age. Good.
So I got some photos. We attempted to make shuffle, but failed big time. It's just like scrambled egg and sunny side up. Oh, but it smells good. I seasoned it well. I'm gonna eat it. I was expecting it to be crispier, but it didn't. It doesn't look crispy at all. Hey guys, it is still the same day. I'm doing omelet. This is 4 eggs. I used 2 tablespoons of butter, and this is cream cheese on top. So this is my burnt omelet. I am really bad at making omelet. It's either I flip them and they break, or I flip them, I burn them, whatever. It is what it is. It's an omelet, but I'm so famished. I'm really hungry. I'm gonna enjoy this with probably some Cholula. I'll check back with you guys tomorrow. I'll probably just continue the vlog instead of starting a new one. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. This is the next day, 3rd day of my egg fast. I'm heading out to the gym. I'm feeling good. I'm 152.8 today. Yesterday I was 153.6, I think, but I'm feeling really good. My stomach feels really flat. So I'm gonna go do a short workout, like an hour workout, and then I have a GYN appointment at 11:30, so I have to do it quick. But yeah, I'm feeling really amazing, you guys. I think the egg fast is really working, but I have some issues though. I developed some rashes here, and I was really itchy last night, but I was researching it. It says that very rarely an adult gets an allergic reaction from eggs. Like I said, I love eggs so much, so I'm not sure what's going on, but I'm gonna head out to go to the gym and work out for a little bit. Hey guys, so I just finished working out. I am outside my doctor's clinic right now, just waiting for my appointment. I'm pretty early. I'm pretty sure I still have to wear a mask. Yeah, because it's healthcare setting. We still have to wear a mask at work. But yes, I haven't eaten anything today yet, but yesterday I boiled 4 eggs. I'm planning to make me some egg salad for lunch, and then maybe another omelet with cream cheese for dinner. That was pretty good actually with Cholula. It was really good. So I am still debating if today will be the last day of egg fast, or I'm gonna do 2 more days, which will make it 5 days of egg fast. I'm doing pretty good. I love eggs, and I'm loving the variety of stuff that I can make. Right now I'm fasted. I worked out fasting, and I don't feel hungry. I'm feeling good. So yeah, I'll check in with you later. Hey guys, this is still the same day, 3rd day of egg fast. I had the egg salad earlier. It was so good. Right now I'm not really hungry, but I just finished a cup of iced coffee, the same decaf coffee that I made yesterday, with 2 scoops of vital proteins, chocolate flavored collagen powder. So I made myself that. I'm really satisfied. I'm not even hungry. I'm not sure if I'm going to eat anymore. I know you're supposed to eat even when you're not hungry, but I'm really trying to go for that fasted state at least 20 hours. So, and I also put a lot of mayonnaise on my salad earlier. So we'll see if I eat anymore. I will keep you updated. But I'm really shooting for 2 more days of egg fasting. So I'll let you guys know. Hey guys, so I decided today, 4th day, to continue my egg fasting. I feel really good. I weighed myself today and I lost another pound. Honestly, at this point, it's not about the weight on the scale, the number in the scale anymore. It's about how I feel. I feel so good. Like I said, my stomach feels really flat. My jeans is feeling so loose. I'm still drinking a lot of water. I'm not that hungry, although I had my coffee with my vanilla flavored collagen today. So that's the only thing I had, and I think it's about 11 a.m. Yesterday, the only thing I had was 4 eggs. That's it. And I know that's really calorie deficit. So I'm gonna try to eat more today because I don't want to feel like I'm super weak. So yeah, I'm really enjoying it. And then after this, I'm planning on doing carnivore. So 2 more days, hopefully, and then I'm gonna switch to carnivore, just meat, no veggies, just meat for maybe 2 or 3 days. We'll see. Right. All right, I'll show you what I'm gonna eat today. Probably another egg salad because I really enjoyed it, and an omelet. So see you guys later. Finally making my first meal of the day. Earlier, before I went out to run errands, I had coffee, my decaf coffee, and my collagen, keto collagen, 1 scoop of this. And then I did my thing, my errands, and then now I have 2 eggs and slice of cream cheese. I don't know, I don't measure, I probably should, but I have a slice of cream cheese on top of it with some seasoning. So I'm gonna eat that really quick and then wait a few hours, and then I'm gonna do my egg salad like I did the other day. Yum, I am really hungry. So here it is, you guys, my cream cheese omelet. I also have my Cholula in here. I love to put it on top, and also my water. Very simple lunch. No, I've been watching a lot of videos just to get an idea on what people eat when they do egg fast, and they can be complicated. Like, these people go all out with their egg custard, egg, what do you call that? Ginoche, or egg casserole. But me, it's just a simple, plain, either scrambled eggs, sunny side up, omelet, or egg salad. That's all I've done so far, and I'm happy with it. And I've been seeing results. So if you're, hesitant, so if you're having second thoughts about doing egg fasting because it might be complicated, it's really not. It's just plain and simple. So I'm gonna enjoy my lunch, and then I'll see you guys later. This is dinner for tonight. This is egg salad, just like what I had yesterday. This is 4 eggs. I've been really sticking to just having 6 eggs a day. Yesterday I only had 4, but I feel fine. I don't feel the need to have more. I don't feel hungry. Yeah, I think I'm going to end the vlog right here. Day 2, 3, and 4 of me just doing pure basic egg fasting. Nothing fancy, nothing extravagant recipe for you. I'm so sorry. But yes, please consider subscribing if you enjoyed the video, and hit the like button as well. I'm gonna be coming back here tomorrow for day 5. Alright guys, I'll see you soon. Bye.